How to change TikTok username. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. You can edit and view your profile information from here. Now tap on Edit Profile as shown. You can edit your information such as your name, photo, username, bio, etc. Go over to Username. Here, you can edit and change your username. Remove the previous one and type in your new username in the text bar. Make sure to follow the instructions below. Once you're done, tap on Save at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily change TikTok username.